Hello and welcome, dear viewers, to a breathtaking journey through the heart of Kenya. This East African gem, sculpted by nature's artistry, is a land of dramatic contrasts, teeming with life in its most primal forms. From the vast, sun-drenched savannas to the snow-capped peaks of towering mountains, Kenya offers a spectacle that captivates the soul. Get ready to witness the grace of nature's ballet as we encounter some of the world's most iconic creatures in their natural habitat. Kenya's wonders await. Here in the Masai Mara, the savanna stretches as far as the eye can see, an endless expanse of golden grasslands beneath a sky that seems to go on forever. This is a land of breathtaking beauty, but it is also a land of constant movement, of life and death played out on an epic scale. Every year, as the dry season gives way to the first rains, the Mara becomes the stage for one of the most spectacular events in the natural world, the Great Migration. Over 1 million wildebeest, driven by an ancient instinct, embark on a perilous journey, following the rains in search of fresh grazing. Zebras join their ranks, their stripes a stark contrast against the brown hides of the wildebeest. And always lurking in the shadows are the predators, lions, leopards, cheetahs, drawn by the promise of an easy meal. It's a story of resilience, of the enduring power of nature, and of the delicate balance that sustains life on the African savanna. Dominating the horizon, its snow-capped peak piercing the clouds, stands Mount Kilimanjaro, the highest mountain in Africa. And at its feet, stretching out like a giant emerald jewel, lies Amboseli National Park. Here, in the shadow of this majestic mountain, herds of elephants roam freely, their wrinkled hides caked in the red dust of the savanna. Amboseli is home to some of the largest elephant families in Africa, and watching these magnificent creatures interact is a truly humbling experience. Young calves, clumsy and playful, chase each other through the tall grass, while their elders stand guard, ever watchful for danger. It is a reminder of the raw beauty and power of nature, and of the importance of protecting these precious places for generations to come. Prepare to be dazzled as we journey to Lake Nakuru, a soda lake that transforms into a breathtaking spectacle of pink. Here, millions upon millions of flamingos gather, their vibrant plumage creating a scene that seems almost otherworldly. The air is alive with the sound of their calls, a constant chorus of honks and grunts as they wade through the shallows, their curved beaks sifting through the water for algae, the source of their distinctive pink coloration. But Lake Nakuru is more than just a flamingo paradise. Pelicans glide effortlessly across the water's surface, their huge wingspans casting long shadows. Marabou storks, with their prehistoric appearance, stand patiently on the shoreline, waiting for their next meal. The sheer abundance of life here is a testament to the crucial role that these wetlands play in the ecosystem of the region. We venture now into Tsavo National Park, one of the largest and oldest national parks in Kenya. This vast wilderness, a land of rugged volcanic landscapes and thorny scrubland, is home to a remarkable array of wildlife. Tsavo is perhaps best known for its population of red elephants, their hides stained a distinctive reddish-brown by the iron-rich soil of the region. These majestic creatures, some of the largest land mammals on Earth, roam the park in vast herds, their sheer size and power a sight to behold. But Tsavo is also home to the big five: lions, leopards, elephants, rhinoceros and buffalo. The silence of the African night is often broken by the roar of a lion, echoing across the savanna, a reminder of the raw power of nature that still exists in this wild corner of the world. And as the sun rises, painting the sky in hues of gold and crimson, we are reminded of the importance of protecting these wild spaces for the animals that call them home and for generations to come. Leaving the savannas behind, we journey to the coast of Kenya, to the island of Lamu, a place where time seems to stand still. Here, on this island steeped in history, the pace of life is slow and deliberate, a world away from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Lamu Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a labyrinth of narrow streets and alleyways lined with buildings crafted from coral stone and mangrove timber. The architecture, a unique blend of Swahili, Arabic and Indian influences, reflects the island's rich cultural heritage. a melting pot of traditions that have been passed down through generations. Donkeys, the primary mode of transport, amble along the cobblestone streets, their hooves echoing through the narrow alleyways. As the sun sets over the Indian Ocean, casting a golden glow over the ancient town, we are transported back in time to a world of dhows sailing on the horizon and the sound of the muezzin's call to prayer echoing through the ancient streets. We turn our attention now to Mount Kenya, the second highest peak in Africa, a majestic mountain that rises dramatically from the heart of the country. Its slopes, cloaked in emerald forests and crowned with glaciers, offer a challenge and a reward for those who dare to explore its heights. As we ascend the mountain, the air grows cooler, the vegetation changes dramatically. We pass through lush rainforests, home to colobus monkeys and brightly colored birds, their songs echoing through the trees. Higher still, we enter a realm of giant heather and lobelia, their bizarre shapes a testament to the harsh conditions at this altitude. The views from here are simply breathtaking, stretching out over the Kenyan countryside, a patchwork of greens and browns that seems to go on forever. Reaching the summit of Mount Kenya is a true test of endurance, but the sense of accomplishment, of standing on the roof of Africa, is an experience that will stay with you forever. Imagine a place where the sand is as white as sugar, where the waters of the Indian Ocean sparkle like 1,000 jewels, and where palm trees sway gently in the breeze. This is Diani Beach, a tropical paradise located on the southern coast of Kenya. Diani Beach is renowned for its pristine beauty, its long stretch of powdery sand lapped by the turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean. Here you can truly escape the cares of the world, whether you're lounging on the beach soaking up the sun, or taking a refreshing dip in the ocean. You can try your hand at kite surfing, windsurfing, or stand-up paddleboarding, or explore the underwater world with a snorkeling or scuba diving trip. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the sand, there's no better way to end the day than with a stroll along the beach, the warm sand between your toes, the sound of the waves crashing on the shore, a soothing lullaby. It's hard to believe that a bustling metropolis like Nairobi could be home to a thriving national park. But that's exactly what you'll find at Nairobi National Park. Located just a stone's throw from the city centre, this unique park offers a remarkable juxtaposition of nature and urban life. Here, against a backdrop of skyscrapers, lions stalk their prey, giraffes graze peacefully, and zebras roam freely. One of the highlights of a visit to Nairobi National Park is the opportunity to see black rhinos, a critically endangered species. As the sun sets over the city, casting long shadows across the savannah, we are reminded of the importance of protecting these pockets of wilderness, even in the heart of our urban centres. Prepare to be awestruck as we journey to Hell's Gate National Park, a land of dramatic landscapes, geothermal wonders, and abundant wildlife. The park gets its name from a narrow break in the cliffs, once a tributary of a prehistoric lake that early explorers thought resembled the entrance to the underworld. Towering above the landscape are sheer cliffs, carved by millennia of erosion, their reddish hues a testament to the volcanic forces that shaped this land. Hell's Gate is a hiker's paradise, with trails winding through the dramatic gorges and past towering cliffs. And as the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the dramatic landscape, we are reminded of the raw power of nature, the forces that have shaped this land for millennia. Our journey through Kenya culminates in Samburu National Reserve, a land of dry plains acacia woodlands and the life-giving waters of the Ewaso Ngiro River. This is a land where the vibrant Samburu culture is deeply intertwined with the natural world. The Samburu people, pastoral nomads, have lived in harmony with their environment for centuries, their lives dictated by the rhythms of the seasons and the movements of their cattle. Samburu is home to a unique array of wildlife, including Grevy's zebras with their distinctive fine stripes, reticulated giraffes, their coats patterned with a network of brown lines, and Besa oryx, their long, straight horns a striking feature. As we watch the sun rise over this remarkable landscape, painting the sky in a kaleidoscope of colors, we are reminded of the importance of preserving both the natural and cultural heritage of this special place. As our journey through Kenya draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of awe and wonder. From the vast savannas of the Masai Mara to the pristine beaches of Diani, from the snow-capped peak of Mount Kenya to the vibrant culture of the Samburu people, Kenya has captivated our senses and stolen our hearts. We've witnessed the incredible diversity of wildlife, the breathtaking landscapes, and the warm hospitality of the Kenyan people. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel documentaries.